Hey guys, today I wanted to talk with you about how to use thrifted items for greenery, whether it's real or fake. So this is an enamelware pitcher that I got at an antique store, probably around $10. So this is rotted out on the bottom, which is totally okay when you're going to use it for fake plants. Alright, then this is another plant that I got at Walmart the other day, and I took this old basket that I got at a thrift store. I think I got it for $4. Put a garbage bag in the bottom, and then put your plant just right on top. So as you water, it'll collect any water that comes out. And then this is going to be a good one to put on the floor in our bedroom. If you guys hear random noises in the background, it's because I'm holding this baby who won't be put down, and my kids are watching Trolls because that's their Friday movie. So just real life, but I figured I'm not going to let it stop me, right? So I found this crock at an antique store, but I've also found them on Craigslist. Don't actually plant them in the crock. Keep them in their container that you bought them in the store with. I bought this one, it was a hanging plant, and I just took the hanger off of it. I actually found this one for $7 at Walmart, so check out your local Walmart and see if they have ones like this, because I thought that was a pretty good buy for the size. Since this is obviously much smaller than the crock, you can put random household things in to prop it up. I don't even know what's in there, but it works. So I put it in there and then put this just right on top, and make sure that you put like a garbage bag or a shopping bag at the bottom to kind of collect any water that might drip out of the bottom of your planter.